doing?
No, carrot.
You said that one already. What are you doing?
Standing.
Standing? What's
Mhm.
Sissy doing?
Playing baseball.
No, she's playing golf.
I'm playing golf.
Golf?
Yeah, golf.
And what are you doing?
I sit on the table
Why?
to keep myself warm.
Warm?
Yeah,
You cold?
yeah.
Oh.
Now look at the tree.
Where? Which ones? Those ones? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like this park?
Yeah, it's so beautiful and so nice.
Yeah. And they have lots of dogs here.
And what's the colors on the kite? And it's going to be a rainbow.
Yeah.
It's going to
They're
be
flying
a
kites and it
rainbow.
looks like a rainbow.
Yeah, it's going to be cold. It's not cold.
It's a little windy, right?
Yeah, pretty windy.
Be careful. You gonna jump down or you gonna sit there? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get Sissy. Say bye.